In this video, I will show you how to save TikTok video to gallery without posting. So to get started, go ahead and open TikTok on your device and make sure that you're signed in into your account. And here, go ahead and click on that plus button at the middle of your screen at the bottom. This will allow you to create a post on TikTok. So in here, go ahead and record or take a photo. After that, go ahead and click on this button at the right side of your screen, and under this, you'll be able to find the save option. So go ahead and click on that save option. So you can basically save your photo or video offline without posting it by hitting on the save with watermark button. But if you post it, you'll be able to save your video without a watermark. So just go ahead and select save with watermark. You'll be able to download your TikTok photo or video that you took into your device without posting it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.